Kamusta mga ate, kuya, beshi? Si Chari po ito mula sa The Sun, Moon, Stars, PH Tarot. Ipapaalam ko lang po na ito po ay isang general read o pangkahalatang pagbabasa at maaring hindi lahat ay magtugma sa inyong sitwasyon. I-check din nyo ang inyong Moon, Rising at Venus sign. Baka doon mas tumugma ang read para sa inyo. At kung ang mensahe ay tama sa inyo, paki-like lang po at mag-subscribe kung hindi pa ninyo ito ginagawa. Okay, mag-umpisa na po tayo. Hello po mga ate, kuya, beshis. Kamusta na po kayo? Andito ulit ako si Chari para gumawa ng another reading. And this is for the sign of Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And of course, welcome po yung mga cross-watchers ni Leo at yung mga bago po nating mga viewers. Tingnan po natin ngayon kung ano po yung mensahe na makukuha po natin pagdating po sa kung merong sikreto o lihim sa inyong damdamin. Chaser and Death. So, ang chaser po dito is somebody na fear of abandonment, chasing, or codependency. So, ito yung meron kang takot na ikaw iiwanan o mapag-isa o tipong humahabol ka, no? Kasi hindi mo kaya na nag-iisa lang. Kung gaba, nakadepende ka lagi dun sa person mo. And death is of course, the relationship is over, no second chances, grow, and transformation. What's dead is dead. Okay? Kung ano ba yung tipong na wala na, talagang wala na. No? Natapos na, in other words. Done and over with. Kaya kung gaba ikaw nag-chase, wala na. I think you have to accept the fact na wala nang point para humabol kasi wala nang second chance. Wala nang, kung gaba yung relationship is over, tapos na Nangyari na yung nangyari. Hindi na pwedeng ayusin o i-amend. Okay? So, tignan natin ngayon sa tarot. We have the Two of Cups, the Ten of Pentacles, and the Tower. Bottom niya is Strength. Okay, Leo, this is your card, the Strength. Ito yung sinasabi na, di ba, yung energy mo is all about being strong and confident and successful, and talagang ginagawa mo yung aim para maging matagumpay ka, no? Or confident ka. Now, ang nakaano dito is the devil energy. Is of course yung devil is something na not doing what is right, no, what is not good, kasi nakadepende siya. Tingnan natin kung isusunod na card kay devil is the Page of Cups. So yung confidence mo, the confident level that pinakita mo, may naka-attach na kung gaba tipong devil energy when it comes to sending that love message to your person, no? Kasi this is a message. Page of Cups is sending a simple love message or receiving a love message na may pagka, sabihin na natin na hindi mabuti yung intention, no? Not really a pure intention. Kung gaba parang kumukuha ng lakas ng loob para mag-send ng message dito sa person mo, but you are trying in a way na hindi siya talagang pure, no? Hindi, kung gaba merong kalokohan involved, okay? Kasi because of this energy of the devil energy, okay? Maybe if you wanted to, you're sending that message to your person kasi you wanted to, to chase the person back into your life. Nag-iisip ka ng mga paraan na paano ko ba gagawin to? Should I flirt again or should I send something na enticing or sexy or para lang maano ko siya kung gaba makiliti ko ulit yung kanyang interest towards me. Something like that, no? Yung sinasabi dito. Kasi with the Two of Cups, you really thought that this person is the one. Ito na, kayong dalawa na talaga. Parang nakita mo na yung kamatch, yung ka-twin flame, yung ka-soulmate. Actually, this is your soulmate. And with the Ten of Pentacles, you know, ito na yung tao na magfulfill lahat ng iyong dreams. No, your dream come true. Kasi nakikita mo na this person is pang long term, pang matagalan na relationship to. Yung tipong magpapakasal kami, yung tipong magsasama kami ng matagal, kung magpapamilya kami, yung mag-establish kami ng aming titira, yung bahay, yung aming sasakyan, pera sa bangko, you know, hanggang ending, yung tipong hanggang magkahiwalay na kayo kasi somebody passed away. Yung tipong ganon. Mga till death do us part na scenario. Kaya naisip mo talaga, ito na eh. Ito na talaga. Kaso, ito na yung kaso. May nangyari na hindi mo in-expect. With the Tower. This is something that is totally shocking, kagulat-gulat, hindi mo inaasahan, biglang nangyari. Okay? Tignan natin. Tumalon. We have the Four of Swords and the King of Swords. Yung person na to, na alam mong siya na, the twin flame, you took a breather. Parang nagpahinga ka dito eh. Pinag-isipan mo muna mabuti kung siya na ba talaga. In other words, I think you had the doubt, no, in you. Parang siguro nag-ano ka muna. Kung gaba, you procrastinated, no? Pinatagal-tagal mo muna to. Hindi ka nagmadali. Pinag-isipan mo, tinignan mo kung talagang siya na ba. No? Pinag-isipan, inisip kung talagang siya na ba. Kasi King of Swords is all about thoughts. It's all about communication. Telling the truth. Thinking of the truth. Or asking for the truth. No? Yun yung gusto mo. Kasi syempre, ang nakasalalay dito is your future. No? Ito. The Ten of Pentacles. Yung future mo. Yun yung nakasalalay. Kaya pinag-iisipan mo mabuti. And somehow, yung pag-iisip mong mabuti. Kasi nga, something has changed. No? I think that's the one that changed. Your thoughts. Yung pag-iisip mo. Kasi kung gaba, in love ka eh. You love this person. No? Unang naramdaman mo talaga na, yes, love ko to. Ito na nga. Siya na nga. Pero, binago ni Tower eh. Nag-isip ka. Pinag-isipan mo. We have the Eight of Swords, the Fool, and the Sun. The energy, Leo. Pinag-isipan mo kasi feeling mo, committed ka na. Feeling mo, nakagapos ka sa isang relationship. If this is somebody else, Leo, hindi yung tao mo, hindi ito, na nararamdaman mo, then you really feel na parang, teka muna, I need to think about this. Kasi possible yan eh, di ba? Na you might have met the right person. Finally, nakilala mo rin yung tamang tao para sa iyo. Finally, nakilala mo na yung talagang true love mo o yung tao na talagang naramdaman mo na mahal ka. Yung tunay na tunay. Kaso, ito na nga ba yung sabi ko sa yung kaso, dumating si Tower, kaya pinag-isipan mo. Bakit? Kasi may commitment na eh. Kung gaba you felt tied up to this energy, to this person, or something, or another person. Might be you're tied up with another person. No? Kaya ganito yung energy na nararamdaman mo. Pero you wanted to act as a fool, no? Take that leap of faith. Gusto mo talagang magbaka sakali ako dito sa aking true love. Gusto mo magbaka sakali. Bakit? Kaya pinag-iisipan mo mabuti kasi siya yung kaligayahan mo eh. This is your energy, Leo. The sun. No? This is your energy. You want to be happy. You want to be successful. You want growth. Paglaki. Magkaroon ng abundance. You know? Gusto mo to. Kaya nga pinag-iisipan mo na, you know, with this full energy, talagang gusto ko magbaka sakali. I want to, yung tipong nakita mo yan, to fly. To really go and be free. Hindi yung ganitong energy na nakagapos. No, you don't want that. You want it really to go out, express yourself. Yan natin sa future. You have the 6 of Cups, the 4 of Wands, the Star, the Hermit, and the Ace of Pentacles. Wow. Wow, Leo. Ang future mo, ang sinasabi dito, this person from your past, or coming from your past, this could be somebody na na-meet mo nung bata ka pa, or somebody na bata-bata ka pa, na-meet mo, naging kayo, nagkahiwalay lang kayo for whatever reason, or it could be somebody from your past lifetime na dati mo na siyang kilala, pero alam mo yung bumalik siya sa buhay na ito. Pareho kayo to fulfill something, to finally be together. Yung mga tipong ganon. Mararamdaman mo naman niya kung somebody from the past. Kasi from your past lifetime. Kasi as if you knew this person already. Kilala mo na siya noon pa. May pakiramdam ka na parang kilala ko na to eh. Para talaga nag-meet na kami dati. Yung ganon. Kaya alam mo somebody from the past. And siya yung talagang masasabi natin na pang future ba? Kasi this is the 4 of Wands is yung sinisimbolize nito is 11-11, which is something to do with twin flame. Now, this also means that you are heading for the future. You are preparing for the future, which is to be in union. Magkasama kayo, no? Either in marriage or talagang physically magkasama kayo. To fulfill that, na maging kayo na. Kasi this is parang receiving a marriage proposal, no? Something that would lead to a more stable relationship sa future. And this has been always your wish or your prayer. Kung gaba, this is a wish fulfillment, a wish granted, a dream come true. No? You've been praying for that. Kaya, you have thought about this, pinag-isipan mo to na matagal. You have really meditated and prayed and have overthink pa nga minsan, over and over again, to give you that answer. You know, yung light na yun, that star. You see that star? And this star? Diba you prayed for? Ito yung star. Sinasagot ka lang, diba? Sa pag-iisip mo. And yung sagot sa'yo is, you will have a new beginning. Again, there is the star. Nakita mo, laki-laki nga eh. Tatlong star yung magkakasunod. If you want me to show you the cards again, you see the star? Star here, star there, star here. Kaya, alam mo yun, this is a new beginning. Something very stable. A pentacle. A pentacle is all about those material things, yung pag-uumpisa, something that you can hold, you can feel, something that is tangible, yung tipong pwede mong dalhin sa bangko, yung mga ganun, isanla, tangible. Kung in other words, hindi to fake, kasi nararamdaman mo, nakikita mo, nahawakan mo. So, totoo ito. Diba? Yung offer na to, na matatanggap mo, of a new beginning is there because you prayed for it. Pinagdasal mo yan. Okay? Hiniling mo sa universe, hiniling ng person mo na matupad dito, na magkaroon kayo ng panibagong pag-uumpisa. Okay? If you are chasing because you feel this person is the one, kasi ayaw mo na siya mawala, I think you've realized that this person is really the one. Kasi nga, you don't want to realize. Doon sabihin natin na maybe this death part, relationship is over, but no second chances. But it says here also growth and transformation. Paglaki at saka pagbabago. Maybe that is what's needed. A new beginning. Diba? A new beginning. Growth. This is growth. Paglago. Paglaki. Okay? So, tingnan natin kung ano yung message ni Archangel sa'yo. Leo. Peace. Katahimikan. Archangel Samuel, peace comes from remembering that only love is real. O diba? Sabi ko sa'yo, Leo, magkakaroon ka ng katahimikan kung alam mo na pag-ibig lang ang talagang totoo dito sa mundo. It is only love, true love. Diba? In peace. This is your true love. Diba? If I would let you know na ito, diba? Somebody from your past that you felt that is your true love. And that would give you peace. Katahimikan. And kaya, andito tong sun. Andito ikaw. Andito yung happiness. Because it is really love. Totoo kasing pag-ibig yung nararamdaman mo. Hindi yung ano lang. Alam mo yun? Yung kung ano man yung naramdaman mo doon kung ano man yung naramdaman mo dito kung bakit ka feeling na committed or nakagapos or tied up. Kung ano man yung naramdaman mo dito sa tao, kung ano man yung bagay na yan or whatever that is holding you to be the fool para gawin yung dapat mong gawin. Kasi nakasalalay dito ang kaligayahan mo. Your happiness. Tignan natin kung ano pa yung message. Nakita niyo yan? Peace. Diba? Ang sabi dito, let me put down the cards. Ang sabi dito, I am a being of love and I release all negative energy. Yeah. Diba? Peace. Twice lumabas. Hindi pa ba kayo satisfied niyan? Dalawang beses sinasabi from the Archangel Samuel and sinasabi din dito peace. Ang kailangan mo, katahimikan. Because I think you've been thinking long and hard about this situation. And it's about time, no? Kasi, diba, andito yung hermit nga eh. Isip ka ng isip. That's why you need to have this peace of mind already. Para maging masaya ka na, no? For you to be happy. So, kung kanino man Leo itong energy na nakuha natin ngayon, habang nagbabasa po tayo, sana nakatulong ito sa iyo ng malaki. Sa susunod po muli, ingat ka and God bless.